County in central Vermont, northwestern Rutland County in southern Vermont, until 8 p.m. At 4:49 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated heavy rainfall capable of reducing flash flooding. Small creeks and streams will quickly leave their banks. Culverts and roadside ditches will be overwhelmed by water. Road washouts are possible, especially on back roads and unpaved surfaces. City streets will become inundated with rushing water and will become impassable. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Brandon. If you encounter flooding, seek higher ground immediately. When you can do so safely, please report any flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-863-4279 or by submitting a storm report to weather.gov/Burlington. Stay away from floodwaters. Move to higher ground if you are threatened by flooding or are directed by emergency officials. Do not drive into areas where the water covers the roadway. The road may be washed away beneath the water surface, and it only takes a few inches of flowing water to carry away your vehicle. Most flood deaths occur in automobiles. Make the smart choice. Turn around and don't drown. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring, and immediate action must be taken to protect life and property. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 361, effective until 11 p.m.